So, Cormac, it really is interesting all the types of media bias in the news today.
I'm gonna keep it real with you, Chief. I didn't listen to a word you just said. I was taking a BuzzFeed quiz on what type of bread I am.
That's alright.
Pumpernickel.
But we are going to now explain all the things that Cormac wasn't listening to. Yeah. It turns out the media can be biased. Crazy, right? So, as you can see by this cleverly stolen infographic, all the news channels that are in high circulation these days do tend to have a bias.
Selective exposure is a process in which the masses choose which media outlet to subscribe to. Usually it follows their own political belief. Due to selective exposure, people receive information from one side of a topic when there are in fact several sides to it.
Awaiting an executive order signing with the president later this morning. It will allow the Interior Department to reevaluate national monument designations. That could open up protected public lands for mining and other industries while also creating jobs.
Advancing his policies with regard to withdrawing from TPP and furthering the Keystone Pipeline and his policies. But in terms of actually making a substantive legislative accomplishment,
a type of selective exposure is echo chamber, where people pay attention to their views, which are reinforced from the media without listening to other perspectives.
Another example of bias in media is narrowcasting, which is when news organizations only broadcast to a specific audience.
The ball hits the crossbar, right? And like the keeper's like celebrating because he's like, yeah, we won. This was the end of regulation. It was a shootout.
Cormac, what have you learned today about media bias?
I'd say I received a full and comprehensive understanding of narrowcasting and echo chambers, both which have a negative impact on America's society and how we process information. What are you looking at?